Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove recovery email from Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure your phone is already connected to the internet, and after just go ahead to your Gmail application like this. And if you want to remove your recovery email, just go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen, and after go to manage your Google account. And then in this page you just have to go ahead to this security and sign in. Go ahead and now just scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is recovery email. Just go ahead and tap on it. If you want to remove it here, the first you just have to enter your password first, yeah guys. Now tap on the next button here, and as you can see, this is my recovery email. If you want to remove it, just go ahead to this trash icon at the side of the Gmail. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on delete, and as you can see, there are no recovery email again on my Gmail account, yeah guys. So I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.